In this video, I will show you how to download Windows installation images using Rufus. By default, this feature is hidden. We can usually use Rufus to create bootable USB drives. To enable the download feature, let's open the Rufus settings. Change the Check for Updates option to Daily. The change will be saved automatically. Close Rufus and then reopen it. As you can see, an extra feature has been added. You can download Windows 10 and Windows 11. Only the latest versions from Microsoft are available for download. You can download installation file for both Intel AMD or ARM. Select this box if you want to download using a web browser. Select a location to save the downloaded file. Do the same if you want to download Windows 10. If you download too often, you might see this error. Please wait a few minutes and try again. This time, I will try downloading it using a web browser. Once downloaded, we can use Rufus to create Windows bootable drive as usual. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.